Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I was in Target. Taglish na lang tayo dito. So I went there to buy Pokemon cards, but everything has been sold out. So the shop is gone. They have a like anniversary type in there, and they giving away some kind of Pokemon stuff. I don't know if you already saw it in the news. But this is the only thing I got from the giveaways from the Pokemon. I guess this is the anniversary. And the next drop day that they're going to Target is on June 6th. It's said in here. So there's also what do you call it, a QR code in here if you wanted to get informations about the Pokemon product. But anyway, since I didn't get anything, so I went to another shops and found out that there is also another cards that they're selling, but it's also almost sold out because everybody is also getting it. I also able to get two cards, this one, the magic cards, and the what is it, the this is the magic cards. I have the Ether Drip and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. So anyway, I'm just being curious, you know why? Because if you go to another store, like if you go to Best Buy, all these cards are in the shelf, but it's in the lock. It's in the lock cabinet, so you have to call the associates to get the key so they can you can guess or can buy any kind of packs on this kind of packs in there. But in Target, it's everything is in the shelf, so you can just get it and buy it and go to the cashier and pay for it. But anyway, so as being curious, I wanted to know what's all inside of this card. So there's a 14 card in here. It says Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Play Booster, and also this is the other disc foils in every pack. So we're going to open first the magic, you see. So guys, if you are new on my channels, please subscribe on me. And I just started to started to begin to venture on what do you call Sunday trading card. I was usually in the fishing adventure, but this now I'm on the card. I think it's a good hobbies. Anyway, let's go and start with this one. We're gonna start with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Play Booster. Let's see what's in this here. Then after that, we're gonna open this one. Alright, and you see. Okay guys, just let me know if this card is valuable, because I don't have any idea on what's the value of these cards. But anyway, after doing the video, I'm going to check the what it goes on the care candy to find out if there is any valuable on this pack. So here it is. So we have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. So I'm gonna open this one. As I said, just if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and follow me. All right, here it is. All right. So I don't know, because from the Pokemon card, you have to get one of the cards for the what you're gonna do, the code card if you want to play in the online. And I don't know if they have it like this, but I'm gonna start with the first beginning of the first card. So here it is. All right, just let me know, is there any valuable there? Just comment on my channel. Okay. So do you think is there any valuable cards or any interesting in here? I didn't see any foil in here. Did you see any? Alright, just like a story card in here. When I was in the Philippines, I usually like play text. It's just like a text. So did you see anything in here? No? Oh, there's a Ninja Turtle. Okay. Oh, this one's kind of foil. It's kind of shiny. So this one, saved by the shell, instant. But anyway, there's more one here. I guess that's it. Oh, there's another more card. I don't know if there's any valuable in here. There it is. This is the basic land forest. So just comment guys on my on the comment below and see if there is any valuable there. Okay, where is the camera? I always look on this side. I think this is the camera in here. Okay, anyway, we're gonna open this. Magic after this, guaranteed foiled in every pack. That's what they said. Whew, it's hot in here on my car. I bust my aircon. So here it is. And it's kind of hard. All right, we'll see. We'll see. Oops. Okay, here it is. I just want to, I think this is the back of the card and this is the front. Oh, okay. All right. All right, here it is. So just let me know if there is anything valuable in here, okay? And put it on your comment. Did you see anything good in here or any valuables? All right. Okay, we're getting near. All right. Did you see anything? Almost done. I guess this is the last card. No, there's another more card. Ooh, what is this? Is this the booster card or something? All right, last card is dang. What is this? This is the foil card. Yeah, Waxen Separated. Oh, there's another more at the back. Okay, that's gonna be the last. I think this is the foil card, something like valuable. So thank you guys for watching me, and I hope you follow my my YouTube or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.